Welcome to Crash Course Life Issues, the show that explores and explains common life occurrences and problems. Today's topic is insurance and why it's vital to making sure you and your valuables are safe from financial harm.
Now, you may have heard of insurance from listening to your parents or watching Judge Judy or just needing it yourself. But the basis of insurance is that if you get into an accident or have an injury, then the insurance company will pay for it. But it's a little bit more complicated than that.
Let's look at a case of how insurance works. This is Leslie. He just got his driver's license and his parents just bought him a used car. However, his parents is making him pay for his insurance, which they are adding to their plan.
Insurance companies are risk takers, meaning that they calculate the risk of you needing them to pay for any accident you get into. They're able to calculate the exact odds of any customer needing a payout, so the higher risk you have, the more you pay.
We all know teenagers are a huge risk, so in order for his parents to add Wesley to their insurance plan, their rates will greatly increase. You may be thinking, well, why do we have to pay for a company? Can't I just pay it all myself? There are many advantages to using insurance.
For one, well, this isn't exactly an advantage, but every state except one requires that you have some form of car insurance. But there is a good reason. Insurance can save you from going into debt. Paying for an accident all at once can easily drain your bank account. It's better to pay small amounts each month to save for in case of the worst. Some lenders will also require you to have some form of insurance. For example, if you're still paying on your car, the car dealership will require you to have car insurance to protect their interest.
Car insurance is only one of the many types of insurance you can get. There's health insurance, life insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, and so much more. However, not everything can be insured.
Insurance companies look for certain qualities when they insure something. For insurance companies to take care of you, you need insurable interests, meaning there must be a potential for you to have a direct financial loss if something happens to you or a valuable item.
It also must be numerous, so a lot of people must have a similar risk. This spreads the risk of loss over a large pool of policyholders, so the actual insurance company doesn't go in debt trying to pay for everyone. There has to be a specific loss, so many potential losses must have a definite time, place, and cause.
Unintentional and unexpected. You can't purposely break your leg to get insurance money. It also must be a reasonable cost, so risks that are too high, too trivial, or too frequent would cost a fortune to insure.
It also must be estimatable. Insurance companies need to calculate both the probability and financial value of your loss.
For example, a family photo album is not insurable, but a historic vase, that could be insured. Now let's get into more legal terms.
An insurance policy is a legal contract between an insurance company and you, the policyholder, who's buying the insurance. The coverage limit is the maximum amount the insurer will pay for losses, which is described in the policy, and the conditions spell out what the insurance will and won't pay for. Your insurance company may pay for your leg surgery, but not your nose job.
It's always important to report accidents to your insurance companies immediately. Make a claim and then get an official estimate so your insurance company can pay.
I know we've talked about car insurance a lot, but a bigger insurance is life insurance, which ensures that you and your family members, say your wife and children, can maintain the same standard of living by replacing your income or covering financial expenses after you die.
Don't forget health insurance too, which helps pay for any medical bills you have after paying the deductible.
Insurance can cover a broad scope of things, from the life of a loved one to the life of a beloved pet. It's important to know what you need to be insured, such as a car, and what you want to be insured. There are also a ton of conditions and requirements, more than what we've discussed today.
When signing up for insurance, always make sure you read over the conditions so you know what is covered and what is not, and how much your deductible is.
Always do your research and don't be afraid to ask your insurance company questions.
Stay safe, be safe, and keep learning. Thank you for joining us for this Crash Course Life Issues, and we'll see you next time.